Are you ready to transform your space into the ultimate romantic retreat this Valentine's Day? Whether it's a cozy evening for two or celebrating the season of love and style, I've got you covered. Stick around for dreamy, budget-friendly decor ideas that will wow your partner and make your space unforgettable. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Decorants and give this video a big thumbs up. Now, let's roll our intro and jump into stunning Valentine's Day room decor ideas. Setting the mood. Essentials for a romantic vibe. Lighting for love. Use fairy lights, string lights, or LED candles for soft, warm illumination. Place real candles strategically for a cozy, romantic glow. Always practice fire safety. Use dimmable lights or smart bulbs to easily adjust the mood throughout the evening. Color palette and textures. Stick to classic Valentine's colors, shades of red, pink, and white. Combine them with neutral tones for balance. Add soft textures like velvet cushions, faux fur throws, and satin table runners for a luxurious feel. Incorporate metallic accents, like rose gold or silver, to elevate the decor without much effort. What's your favorite Valentine's color combo? Share your ideas in the comments below. DIY Valentine's decorations, heart-themed. Wall art. Create a DIY photo gallery with heart-shaped frames or arrange photos in a heart shape on the wall. Use Valentine-themed printable quotes and decorative frames. Pro tip, print your photos in black and white for a chic, timeless look. Table centerpieces. Use mason jars filled with pink and red flowers, fairy lights, or candy hearts. Decorate with glittery heart picks or ribbons for a festive touch. Pro tip, layer a mirror under the centerpiece to reflect light and make it stand out. Sustainable decor. Options. Sustainability is a major trend in 2025. Create eco-friendly Valentine's decorations using recyclable or reusable materials. Examples: make garlands out of recycled paper, use glass jars for candles, or craft heart-shaped decor from fabric scraps. Pro tip: add a touch of greenery like eucalyptus or ivy to your sustainable designs for a fresh and earthy vibe. Do you love DIY decor? Let me know in the comments if you'll try these ideas. And don't forget to share your favorite trend from 2025. Bedroom decor for Valentine's Day. Transform your bed. Create a magical focal point by transforming your bed into a romantic haven. Here's how. Add a sheer canopy. Drape a light sheer canopy over your bed to create a dreamy, fairy tale-like atmosphere. You can easily attach it with hooks to the ceiling or use a canopy stand. Scatter rose petals. Sprinkle rose petals on the bed and floor. This classic touch instantly enhances the romantic ambiance. Themed bedding. Use Valentine's-themed bedding, such as pillowcases with heart patterns or soft pink and red throws, to tie the decor together. Pro tip: layer different size pillows in complementary colors to create a plush and inviting look. Use a mix of textures like velvet, silk, or faux fur for added luxury. Personal touches. Incorporate sentimental elements that reflect your unique love story. Framed photos. Display framed photos of your favorite moments as a couple on nightstands or wall shelves. This adds a deeply personal and meaningful touch to the room. Love notes and mini scrapbook. Write heartfelt love notes or create a mini scrapbook showcasing your journey together. Place these on the nightstand or hang them on a string with clips for a creative display. Mood lighting. Use string lights, fairy lights, or a warm bedside lamp to add a soft, romantic glow to the bedroom. Pro tip: enhance the sensory experience by introducing a subtle fragrance to the room. Use essential oils or scented diffusers with romantic scents like rose, vanilla, or lavender to set the mood perfectly. Which bedroom decor idea is your favorite? Drop a comment and let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Decorants for more inspiration. Affordable Valentine's Day room decor budget-friendly finds. Finding stunning Valentine's Day decor doesn't have to strain your wallet. Let's dive into some affordable and creative options. Shop smart, visit dollar stores or discount retailers for hidden gems like heart-shaped ornaments, string lights, and themed tableware. These places are a treasure trove for affordable finds that still look elegant. Repurpose what you have. Don't overlook your existing decor. Repurpose Christmas or holiday decorations by focusing on red, pink, and white items. For example, red candles or fairy lights can easily fit the Valentine's theme. Pro tip: instead of buying brand new decor, swap out small items like cushion covers, table runners, or picture frames with Valentine's themed ones. A small change can create a big impact on the overall ambiance. DIY crafts on a budget. Unleash your creativity with these budget-friendly DIY decor ideas. Heart-shaped paper garlands. Grab some colored paper and scissors to create festive garlands. String them across walls, windows, or doorways for an instant Valentine's vibe. Candy heart vase fillers. Fill glass vases with inexpensive candy hearts, faux pearls, or even red and white marbles. Use these as centerpieces or mantle decor. Customized wall art. Frame handwritten love notes or print Valentine's quotes and place them in old frames for a personal touch. Pro tip: got leftover wrapping paper? Don't toss it. Use it to craft decorative accents like origami hearts or paper flowers that add charm without the extra cost. Who says romance has to break the bank? Tell me your favorite budget-friendly tip in the comments. Final touches and personalization add meaningful elements. Now that your room is beautifully decorated, it's time to add those personal touches that truly make the space your own. These small but meaningful elements can create a deeper emotional connection and elevate the ambiance to perfection. Incorporate personal notes. Write heartfelt messages and place them in decorative envelopes or jars around the room. These can be love notes, shared memories, or even reasons why you appreciate your partner. Framed quotes. Choose quotes that resonate with your relationship or the theme of love. Frame them elegantly and display them on nightstands, shelves, or walls for added charm. Customized decor pieces. Include items like monogrammed cushions, personalized candles, or photo collages that reflect your unique bond. Pro tip: combine fresh flowers like roses or lilies with high-quality faux florals. This not only keeps the look vibrant and fresh, but also ensures your arrangement lasts throughout the season. Conclusion: thank you so much for watching. Valentine's Day is all about celebrating love, and with these simple yet stunning decor ideas, your space will be ready to spread the romance. Whether you're planning a cozy evening for two or hosting a festive gathering, these tips are sure to impress. If you found inspiration in this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Decorants, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest decor ideas. And hey, share this video with a friend who's all about transforming spaces into something magical. Have a lovely Valentine's Day filled with love and creativity. See you in the next video.